Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade kulfi. First, gather your essential ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and a touch of cardamom. You'll also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pan to ensure even cooking and prevent scorching. Make sure your kulfi molds or small cups are clean and ready for the mixture. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious, creamy dessert. Now, combine the whole milk, heavy cream, and sugar in your heavy-bottomed pan. Place it over low heat and begin to simmer, stirring frequently to prevent any sticking or burning. The key here is patience. You want to slowly reduce the mixture by about 1/3. This reduction process concentrates the flavors, creating that wonderfully rich and dense texture kulfi is known for. Once your kulfi base has reduced and thickened, remove it from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your flavoring, such as cardamom powder and finely chopped nuts like pistachios or almonds. Allow the entire mixture to cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial before you carefully pour the cooled, fragrant mixture into your prepared kulfi molds or small cups. Finally, place your filled kulfi molds into the freezer. For the best results and a firm texture, allow them to freeze for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or preferably overnight. When you're ready to serve, briefly dip the molds in warm water to easily release the kulfi. Garnish with a sprinkle of extra chopped nuts or a few strands of saffron for an elegant touch. Enjoy your homemade kulfi.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.